sa business presentation ni Live Good. So gagawin po nating mas short and mas maintindihan po ng marami. So konting oras lang po ito. So ito na po yung ating Live Good business presentation mula po dito sa ating team na Great Empire Team 8 Alliance. So ang Live Good po is a revolutionary company kasi po wala po itong quota. Ibig sabihin, hindi po required na bumili kayo ng produkto para makuha nyo po yung komisyon. No auto ship, meaning wala po kayong monthly na automatic na may kailangan kayong bilhin. No points monitoring, ito po yung sa mga binary companies na wala po tayong monitor na imo-monitor. And then no force buying of products, buy at need. So dito po sa atin, hindi po kinakailangan na bumili ng produkto para maging member ng ating company and bibili lang po tayo pag kailangan po natin or pag gusto po natin. So no more overpricing of products kasi nga po sobrang mura po ng ating mga products kumpara nyo po sa ibang mga direct selling and multi-level marketing company. So ano po ba yung business concept ni Live Good? So ang business concept po ni Live Good is bigyan na lang po natin ng example itong Netflix. Ang Netflix po, ang membership po niya is $9.99 to $19.99 per month. Ngayon, ito pong si Live Good is $9.95 per month din po. Ngayon, kung magko-cost po siya ng 2 years, it will cost you $13,426 and sa Live Good ganun din. Kaya lang yung earning opportunity kay Netflix wala po kayo. Compare mo kay Live Good na pwede po kayong kumita and then the possible income din kay Netflix is wala rin po and then sa Live Good, you have the opportunity to earn 2,047.50 month after month. Even wala po kayong recruit, even po wala po kayong benta, basta po maging active member po kayo or subscriber po ni Live Good. So yan po yung ating business concept. So ang Live Good po is na-launch noong December 13, 2022. So magna 9 months pa lang po tayo and this is the next Amazon or Alibaba of dropshipping. Kasi dropshipping din po yung ating business wherein company na po ang bahala doon sa product, sa delivery, in 200 countries and commission na lang po ang darating po sa atin. So, ang ating pong CEO is si Mr. Ben Glinsky. So, check nyo na lang po yung kanyang profile pero siya po ay may 20 years experience na sa ganitong klase ng industry. And we have also our Live Good team which is Ryan Goodkin, Lisa Goodkin, and Noder Gazan which is the Director of Network Marketing. Si Lisa Goodkin po is the Director of Product Education and Director of Product Development naman si Ryan Goodkin. So, dito po kay Live Good, ang konsepto po nito ay the days of selling overpriced products. So, a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Kasi nga po, yung mga ibang multi-level marketing company and direct selling company sobrang tataas ng products because they need to pay the higher ups, no? Even po yung management. So, ito pong si Live Good, this is a club membership wherein we can enjoy good products. So, made in the USA po to, approved by the GMP, lab tested for purity and potency. And we have the highest quality products in the market. Marami po tayong mga certification like this is caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, GMP, and keto-friendly. And marami pa po tayong mga certification from United States Food and Drugs Administration. So, we are just starting and being a club member, may enjoy nyo po yung 75% savings sa mga products po natin sa ating health and wellness. But coming soon, we will have our own home care products, baby care products, gadget appliances, and more. And this is the opportunity wherein you can earn $200 to $500 per week. Just visit our website. Ito pong bit.ly/viral negosyo para po mas maintindihan nyo po. But if someone refer you to this opportunity, doon po kayo mag-sign up ng inyong membership. Okay? So, ito na nga po yung diniscuss ko kanina. As a Live Good member, you will enjoy 75% compared to products and other network marketing companies. So, comparison of member price and retail price, compare nyo po yung ating coffee. This is healthy organic weight management coffee with mushrooms and we have also complete plant-based protein. Dito po yung ating pang-gym. No? Actually, marami po tayong products and once you become a member, you will have your own website and product website as well na pwede nyo pong aralin doon yung ating mga iba't ibang klase ng produkto. Sobrang gaganda po ng mga products po natin. So, this is the best-selling product we have, the CBD oil, which is, ito po ay medical marijuana. Okay, this is $18. In other shops or in other direct selling company or multi-level marketing company, sobrang mahal po. Kaya, napakaganda po nito. So, i-search nyo na lang po sa Google kung ano po ang mga health benefits benefits ng ating CBD oil. And then other things, this one is Super Greens. So $18, compare nyo po sa iba na sobrang mahal din po. Kaya po dito sa atin ay talagang malaki yung discounts na makukuha natin or savings once we become a Live Good Club member. Now, how to become a Live Good Club member? Ang kailangan nyo lang po is mag-register sa inyong sponsors link. Pay $9.95 to become a Live Good member. Okay, buy products at wholesale price and member price, and then stay active by paying your monthly membership. So parang Netflix lang din po ito na nagbabayad kayo monthly, and once you did not pay your membership, of course, mapuputol yung inyong benefit. So dito po, being a member is only paying $9.95. But if you want to have an opportunity to earn and participate in our compensation plan, pwede po kayong maging affiliate and member. Kasi iba po yung member, iba rin po yung affiliate. Wherein you will have the opportunity to earn $2,000 month after month, even without enrolling anybody. Okay? So, Live Good Affiliates, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So, how do I get with the $49.95. Ito po yung ating one-time membership, okay? $40 wherein you will have your own website login for business monitoring, referral, sales, earnings, etc. and online shop. When you refer and someone shops in 232 countries, you earn 50%. So, yun na po yung sinabi ko kanina, we are a drop shipping business wherein hindi nyo na kailangan mag-isip ng products, delivery, and door-to-door po na di-deliver na yan sa customer ninyo. I-refer nyo lang po yung inyong website and you will earn 50%. So, you will have also landing page that contains your Live Good website wherein ina-explain na rin po ni Mr. Ben Glinsky yung konsepto ng ating business. But that is English. But if you want to have a Tagalog presentation, you just only need to go to bit.ly/viral negosyo and you will understand it in Tagalog po. Okay? So, we have 7 ways to earn actually, but I'm just going to discuss the most important income po dito kay Live Good. Wherein, ito pong tinatawag po natin na direct referral. So, dito po sa atin kay Live Good, once we encourage members, kasi po ang membership natin is $50 and then you will earn $25 on every referral, which is unlimited po yan. No auto ship, no quotas, no volume requirement para lang po makuha po ninyo itong $25 bonus. So, direct and indirect. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng ating mga direct and indirect, meron po tayong income. Pag tayo po ay naging bronze, we will get ito po kasing level 1 ninyo, ito yung mga generals ninyo, ito yung direct referral ninyo. But this one, second level to 10th levels, this is your indirect referral wherein we will earn 10% once we become bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. So, how to become a bronze? So, you just only need to have 2 personally enrolled active members. Magiging bronze na po kayo and then you will earn 10% na po doon sa mga indirect referral po natin. So, if you want to become silver, up to 4th levels na po yan, 50% on the direct, 10% on the second level, 5% on the third level, and 4%, and so on. So, once na tumataas po yung ating mga position dito kay Live Good, mas lumalalim po yung ating direct and indirect referral. So, ang kailangan lang po para maging silver kayo, you have to have 20 active members, 20 plus active members, pero kailangan po doon, meron kayong 10 direct doon. So, if you want to become gold up to 6th level, you need to have 100 active members, 100 active members plus, kailangan po 30 po doon ay direct po ninyo, or kaya naman mag-create kayo ng 3 separate enroller na magiging silver, okay? Plus the 100 members. Okay, platinum, you will be up to 8 levels po, no? So, i-post nyo na lang po yung screen para makita nyo kasi may mga requirement po yan. To become diamond, we will have up to 10th levels. Kailangan po meron tayo ditong 2,500 active members and kailangan po 500 ng ating direct referral po doon. So, meron din po tayong crown diamond which is dinagdag po doon sa ating ladder of success wherein meron po dito sa Philippines na pangalawa na Crown Diamond which is our upline. Okay? So, kukonti pa lang po ang Crown Diamond but our goal here is to become a Diamond member so that our the indirect referrals deep is up to 10th levels. Okay? So, matrix commission, ito naman po yung sinasabi po natin na kahit wala po kayong recruit or benta, kasi imagine niyo na lang po na yung pong company ang nagbibigay po sa atin ng downline sa ilalim mula po doon sa ating mga upline at inilalagay lang po. No? So, kung ikaw to, and then itong mga tao mo na to, hindi mo yan recruit, pag yan po ay nalagyan in due time, pwede po tayong kumita ng $2,047.50 month after month after month. Hindi po yan one time lang kasi kasi doon po tayo kumikita doon sa kanilang subscription business. So, ganun lang po. And our matching bonuses, which is the most exciting part, is 50%. So ito yung napakaganda dito kay LiveGood kasi once na makapag-create po tayo ng ating mga sales leaders, okay, we will earn 50%. So kailangan mo talaga siyang tulungan. Hindi to katulad ng ibang multi-level marketing company na pag napalagay siya doon sa strong leg mo, hindi mo na yan tutulungan kasi wala ka ng income. Dito, lahat ng direct mo, pag kumita yan sa kanilang matrix, you will earn 50% of the matrix income that they have. So for example na lang, ganito yon. So if your direct earn 100,000 and their matrix, you will earn 50,000. So example na lang natin, if you have 10 directs earning 20,000 each, you will earn $10, 10,000 pesos from each of them. So that's 100,000. So dito, lahat po ng direct po ninyo, tulungan po natin because what they earn, we will have 50%, pero hindi po yun babawasin sa kanila. Okay? So yun po ang pinakamaganda dito kay LiveGood, which is the matching bonuses. And this is the 3 heads. Ibig sabihin, dito po kasi kay LiveGood, pwede po kayong kumuha ng 3 account. Pwede nyo pong pag nag-join kayo, you just only need to become a member and then i-member nyo po yung inyong anak, asawa, or whatever na legit po na tao. And then, pwede po tayong kumita din po dito ng mas malaki. Kasi lahat po ng kikitain po nila, we will have 50%. Remember, like for example, if they earn 2,047.50 and we have a matching bonus of 50%, di ba? So may kalahati po tayo. So ganun po yung pwede po nating kitain dito kay LiveGood. So this is the diamond bonus pool. Actually po ang diamond bonus pool, once we become a diamond, we will have a profit sharing sa company. Okay? Ito po yung pinakamaganda. Last month, ang pinakamababa po na nabigay po sa mga diamonds as a profit share or the diamond bonus pool is $5,000, $5,300. So that is more than 250,000 peso. So kung maabot po natin itong diamond bonus or diamond rank, we will at least have a passive income of $2,000 to $7,000 a month, no? Kaya po, kailangan ito po yung i-goal natin, maging diamond po tayo dito kay LiveGood. And this is the one that I'm discussing, the power of 2, enrolling 2 personal direct per week. So it's a matter of duplication. If you are a networker, maintindihan nyo naman po kung paano po ito. Okay? And this is only our concept. I'll bring my 2, you bring your 2, we help your 2 to get 2, then we grow faster together. So because here in LiveGood, we need to have a teamwork mindset, no? So dalawa lang po ang kailangan po nating kunin dito, and then we will make our organization bigger. Okay? So sa ngayon po, meron na po tayong more than 650,000 as of today. Ngayon po ay August 25. Sa ngayon po ay nasa 650,000 na ang ating members, and our goal is to become 1 million members or more before end of this year. So, ma-achieve po natin yan. Imagine niyo na lang po kung gaano karami ang magiging members ni LiveGood once we end this year. Okay? And ito po yung i-discuss ko po sa inyo kanina. Even if you pay subscription for 24 months, that is only 13,440, or even abutin po kayo ng 36 months bago mapuno yung inyong matrix, it will only cost 20,160, but the potential income is 2,047.50 or 114,660. So, dito lang po, reminder lang po dito kay LiveGood, lagi ko po yung kinukompare na sports and business are the same. If you want to get the gold, you have to train hard. Kasi di ba sa Olympics, if you want to earn 1 million, di ba ngayon once you become a gold medalist sa Olympics, you will get 1 million from our government. So, pero yun po ay pinag-train nila. Kumbaga nag-train po sila. No? So, dito po kay LiveGood, I highly suggest if you want to earn millions, you need to learn. So, meron naman po tayo mga proper guides sa ating team na meron po akong kinreate na website where inandun na po lahat ng mga kailangan po nating videos, even pong post nyo sa social media, even pang clearbook ninyo, lahat po ng mga video trainings na nandun po ay matututunan po natin. But you just only need to have time, no? Mag-devote lang po kayo ng time, at least 5 days or even a month, no? Kasi po ito talagang si LiveGood, kailangan po talaga ninyong aralin and para po magawa po ninyo yung business. Okay? So, ito lang lagi yung sinasabi ko, sports and business are the same. If you want to get the gold, you need to train. So, ito po yung ating team website wherein nandito na po lahat ng mga kailangan po natin, bit.ly/viral business. So, yun lang po. And this is the example of the income ng isa po nating upline, ito po yung potential income natin dito kay Live Good. We can at least earn a weekly of $1,000 to $2,000. But it will take time. Of course, kailangan lang po nating trabahuhin dahil hindi naman din po madali na gawin si Live Good. So, you just only need to be motivated and do not be discouraged to those people na nagne-negative po sa inyo dito kay Live Good. And you just only need to continue to learn and then magpag-guide lang po kayo sa inyong uplines or sa team. No? Imagine niyo if you are earning a monthly of $15,000, 527.48. So, marami po ang mababago po sa atin na buhay dito kay Live Good. Okay? So, I think that's the end of the presentation. I just want to mention this disclaimer. The information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. So, the accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. So, also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of $9.95 is a requirement to remain active member of Live Good. So, once you did not maintain the $9.95 membership, of course, you are going to lose your position in the global matrix wherein you will have the opportunity to earn $2,047.50 every month. So, pag naman po na-lose nyo yon, pwede naman po kayong bumalik but you will be placed at the bottom na ulit. So, alagaan po ninyo yung inyong membership subscription. Mas maganda po na gawin po ninyo ito every 25th of the month so that you will not neglect the membership. So, that's the end of the presentation. Hope this short presentation will learn or will give you information about Live Good. If you want to sign up with our company,